Hey guys, Abraham Small here, and as you guys can see, I draw something that says "Made by me," and yeah, I drawed this guy, which I drawed some pants,
Some nipple hair.
a six-pack, some nipples, and some strong arms, and a face. Well, not the face, but a head. It's hard to draw a face.
I
guys.
dropped the head and
Yeah.
everything.
You didn't draw everything. He
I
only
dropped the head
you-
and everything else on here.
yeah, he only drew the hair and the head and the ear. But the guys, can you guys see my dog? What's he doing? Let's check him out. Bruno. What are you doing, Bruno? Finally, I can show you guys his face. Ah, he's looking at the camera. And guys, in 3 more days, his fleas are gonna get out of his
Body.
yeah. Jeez, he's
I'm
hyper.
drinking my mug like.
Hey, Bruno. Bruno, where you going with that ball? He's trying to steal our ball. Come down with me, Bruno. Okay, here he comes. Guys, in like, what time was it? Like, in 1 in the morning, we literally went over there, which is hecka creepy. You guys,
Yeah,
my dog is scared of this when it gets flipped over. Oh, jeez, Bruno. See what happens, Bruno? Oh no, he's trying to go in. He camouflaged with the darkness.
Ow! He scratched my
It's
leg.
a good morning, guys.
It's cold. out.
Hopefully it's good for it's a good morning for you guys, which is it should be nice for you, like it is for me, guys. Bruno. They said Bruno was screaming. Wait. Outside.
Are you gonna take Bruno?
No. Bruno's peaceful. Guys, it doesn't look morning, but it is morning. It's barely 6:30
No,
in the morning.
It's 5. For real?
6:29.
Dang, 2 hours. 2 hours already passed. That fast.
Guys,
I gotta
Bruno's
say,
over there.
Atlanta is like the fastest time going ever. Like,
Yeah. 1 hour feels like freaking
like
30 minutes. Should be 2 sodas.
roof on top.
No, you can't say that. Because
Why
we're
not?
outside. Dumb. Yo, what's your scooter doing out here? I'm going to try to write it.
Hold on, I'll record it.
Okay. Let's see you do a bar spin or double bar spin.
Okay. Hey. Okay. Are you ready? Set, go. I can't mess it though. That much. Wait.
Do a double bar spin or like
Fine.
a bar spin or a double bar spin.
Oh!
Oh! Look at those socks, man. What are
Better
those?
than those ugly socks.
Yo, how are these ugly? They're not Mitch Max.
Oh, I did it!
Yo,
You didn't capture that on camera, did you?
do it right now. Let's see if you line. Oh! You almost landed it. Here,
Bruh.
let me see. Let me try.
One more try.
Okay, fine.
Ready?
I didn't capture
Oh,
I captured that. I didn't capture the one hitting your dangling. Here.
Oh,
Guys,
I can't do double bar spin.
I need to tell you, don't do that ever.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, double bar spin. Did it.
Dang, I flicked myself.
But I like that camera.
Here, wait, Luis.
Watch this.
Twist the scooter. Twist the
Oh,
scooter.
yeah, that.
Yeah, you know how to do this.
Oh, I can't because I have
Wait, here, hold
I
it.
have shoes on. 3, 2, 1.
Downhill.
What, downhill?
Here, go down. Down here. He's weird. Oh, guys, Bruno is literally over there. That's our backyard.
But
Look, Luis. I'm gonna go down here, but I'm gonna do some trick stuff. Go. Okay. Come on. Yo. Can you see that? See, wait.
What was that? Did you see the dust? Look.
Come on.
Fucking dust.
Hold on. Guys, I dare have you to go riding down with the camera. I tell you.
No. I don't want to.
Someone's awake. I'm wide awake. Just kidding. Here, ride it.
No.
Yo, that's scary.
Ride it with my scooter?
Yeah, go like this. Like that.
Boy,
on your
you're
stomach.
crazy.
Boy, I'm not crazy.
Yeah, I'm gonna break it.
Guys, hit 1 subscriber right now, and then we will freaking do it.
No, bad idea.
Do it. Come on, let me do it.
Fine, I'll do this if we hit 1,000 subscribers.
Do you guys
100
promise?
100 subscribers, I will do this for a milestone. I will freaking,
Do it.
yeah, I'll put it on my stomach.
Oh,
And I'll see
don't do it. Oh my God. Okay, guys, you guys promise?
Okay.
If you guys promise, we'll do
guys,
it.
I'm gonna ride down here.
Guys, look, he's going downhill. Okay, he's gonna go on top of there. Let's just keep a close look. That. This is the house we normally see. He's going up, and then he's gonna go down here, come back here. He's gonna go right here, and then make it all the way back home. What? Okay, I got you. Oh my God! Do a flip at the end. Ah. Oh, don't do it. Oh my God.
Don't do it.
Guys,
come on.
Yo, can you guys see that?
Yo, guys, it's deep in there.
Oh, Bill!
Oh no.
Yo, where is it?
I don't know.
Psych, didn't we get you? Ah. Here. Let me see if I can go downhill.
Don't do it. Yeah. Those are playing music, so kind of be quiet.
No, don't do it. Yeah. Please don't do it. Come on, Luis, you're gonna be dumb. I'm dumb for doing that. Guys, I don't know why everything turns blurry when I zoom in. Don't do it. Luis, don't do it. Watch when you mess up and fall. I only did it for the video. Luis, are you gonna do it for the video? Go. Go. Straight. Downhill. Go downhill. Here. I missed that. Okay, got it. It's not technically a flip, but it's a trick. Here. Flip trick. Luis.
Wait, I need
Oh.
Don't do it.
Do that. Ugh. Can you guys see that?
Yo, there's still partying. Damn. Down to it.
Oh, guys, look. Guys, look.
Look.
Is that a slipper?
That probably has rabies. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Yeah, don't do it.
Hold on, let's see if you guys, if it was weird, if you guys do a 360 flip. like right off the bat. So like